What the heck is going on? GDC, I just logged in after being done trading, and my God, GDC is up 1,500% off the low of $3. Oh my God, this is insane. This is pretty much top 2.0. Holy crap. I remember watching it here, halted up, and then immediately gapped in that halt from 8 to 11. Insane. And then, before you know it, holy crap, you're up 25, consolidate all the way up to $44 a share. This is some insane stuff. By the way, today is the biggest ever green day on the year. So biggest green day of 2023, up $415.98. Really nice to see. Making all my gains on QH. QH, we were reviewing this on the pre-market watch list stream. I'm looking for that breakthrough 4. Was able to get a nice couple trades down in here for this red to green, and then catching it on this consolidation area right on the 9 EMA to add a little more profits. So very nice. I have a lot of tape to watch today, a lot of trades to review, but I really was dialed in right here, really dialed in off the lows, just scalping the lows on pretty decent share size, and I was up maybe about $300 before even the red to green happened. Unfortunately, I didn't really capture the red to green as much as I wish I did. On the red to green, it was a kind of shaky up until about 385, 390, and I actually, for a second, I thought we were going to get a rejection before the break of 4, which caused me to be a little bit hesitant to be chasing into the high. So I was a little bit more reserved there. Then we broke out, and I tried to catch a 1-minute dip, but it kind of just got away from me a little too quick, and it halted up. And then after the halt, it was so laggy after the halt. I was really struggling to add any more profits on the first candle. But after this dump down to the 9 EMA, I started again, scalping off the lows, and I was doing really well. And I was able to get up over $400 in profits. So I did really well on QH. Very happy with my performance. SNTG, I gave it a shot, but the bids just dropped so easy on SNTG. I attempted it here, bids dropped and got a loss there. I attempted it here, bids dropped again from 410 down to 380, 30-cent loss. Very, and the candle closed green. That was just terrible. And then we finally got that curl back up, and I was watching it, but just from my previous trades on it, I couldn't trust it as much, and I kind of just let this one go without me. But it did run from 3 to 9. Very good move, and momentum. Momentum is here for sure, but it's a very risky market. The market's always gonna be risky, so you just got to manage that risk. And if the market's hot like it is, push it a little harder. And if you have a consistently profitable strategy, you should do very well. Statistically, you should do very well, and you should lean into those statistics. So, I kind of leaned into those statistics today and had a very nice day, the biggest green day of 2023. Starting on May off, really on a solid foot here. And I definitely left some profits on the table, but after 10:30, I'm already starting to wind down because I had to start work at 11. So, I want to, if I'm green on the day by 10:30, I'm already now in profit protection mode after 10:30, and looking to lock up a green day. After 10:30, then we started getting, SNTG between 10:45 and 11. GDC was after 11, so I didn't really get any of those. Majority of the profits, or all of the profits, came from QH between 9 and 10:30ish, which is good. But very nice day. Let's take a look at the stats on the day. The stats, I remember taking a look at my stats, and they were juicy for sure. They were juicy. Really good risk reward, really good accuracy. I was just I was dialed in today. I was definitely dialed in today. And that it definitely boosts my confidence. It boosts my confidence for for the next day and the next day and the next day and the next hot day. I'll even put on some more size, and I'll just keep growing from there. So progress is being made. 5/1/2023. Let's take a look for today. So $415.98. I kept a bulk of my profits. I made about $607 on the day, lost about $191, 68.46% profit margin. So keeping most of my profits on the day. My accuracy is right on point, right around 60%. My risk reward is 2-to-1. So these are the stats where I'm doing like fantastic. These are the days where really build your confidence, and you can take these stats and build off of it, and just size into these days if you can recognize that momentum ahead of time. If you can anticipate a hotter day or when it's a hotter market, you can read that market sentiment early. You can kind of anticipate that this is going to be one of those days where it has a positive estimated value on the day, and then you can size up into these days. And definitely I definitely did take some decent size trades on today, but I think I can totally do bigger. So let's just take a look at some of these sizes. So 2,200 shares there. I had 1,200 there. A lot of small size scalps. Another $2,000 position size. $3,500 position size. I made $113 on that trade. Very nice. So I did take some decent size on some of these trades. But I think I can push it even more. I'm ready to push it even more. So this is just the beginning of the trader that I'm going to transform into. With size. So just gotta be patient. Keep pushing the envelope a little bit more every single day. And in the slow markets, don't be afraid to size down and manage your risk to the downside. And before you know it, after reviewing all of these trades, making sure that I'm going through, reading the tape on on the stocks that I traded during the day, kind of rewatching my live stream or my live trading, after the market close, all that builds upon each other, and you slowly get better over time, and that's kind of what I'm seeing here. So, last year if I had a $400 day, this would be like an extremely, I would be through the moon. But now I think this could be a consistent thing. I think 415 is a very, very consistent sort of day that I can kind of create that to be a more consistent day. So I can kind of shoot my eyes then for like a $700, $800, or $900 day, and shooting up towards $1,000. I definitely have my goal this year to have my first $1,000 green day. This year is going to be my first $1,000 green day. So I have about 7 more months to do it, but it's totally doable, and I think my skills are there to get that much green on the day. So that's it. Hope you guys did well with all this momentum here on SNTG GDC QH. Hope you guys did well on the momentum. If not, come back tomorrow, and keep your head straight. And there'll definitely be more opportunity tomorrow. So don't be afraid to walk away and come back the next day. Most of the time, that's the best decision if you're feeling flustered or a little disappointed on the day, because tomorrow's a new day and there'll be more opportunity to get green. And if you're green, lock it up. Don't be afraid to lock it up. don't overstay and be trading all day. If the markets, or the stocks start to fade or they're not as strong, it does seem like GDC is getting a little extended. SNTG is getting a little choppy. QH is fading pretty hard. So I don't know if this is the market to be trading all day, but if you're green, definitely be responsible. Don't lose all that in the end of day. All that hard work that you put in the morning, don't throw it away for an end of day Hail Mary pass. So hope you guys did well. If you guys are still watching, please hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. All right, peace. Check out the links in the description.